Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisaandthompson.com, and in today's video we're going to address the question, do you need to create multiple streams of income to have home business success? Before I give you my answer, make sure you've subscribed to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button you see in the lower right hand corner of your screen. I create content on almost a daily basis and I don't want you to miss a thing. Now, do you need to create multiple streams of income to have a successful business? Yes, but you have to make sure you're doing it in the right way. So first of all, what is multiple streams of income? Multiple streams of income means that you have several different sources of income coming into your home business. You do not want to have all of your eggs in one basket, so to speak. So let's give an example of what could happen. And this is something that I've seen happen to a lot of people, and this is why 97% of home business owners fail. What they do is they will get involved in a network marketing company and they build a very sizable business. And within the network marketing company, there are usually two streams of income. There is the distributor income, which is based by you bringing in new distributors and you're getting paid on the activity that they're doing. And then you have your customer income stream, where people who are not joining you as reps or distributors, they're buying products from you month after month. So you can build a very sizable business, but then all of a sudden the network marketing company's compensation plan changes, or they go out of business and now your income stream has just dried up. And this happened. I had several friends of mine last month where one of the network marketing companies, all of a sudden they were investigated by the FTC and they were shut down. And now they have no income coming in. But the smart home business owners have other income streams that they rely on that come in. So if a loss like that happens, they are still able to pay the bills and grow their business. So how do you create these multiple streams of income? There's usually two avenues that people tend to go. The first is usually creating their own products or having their own coaching programs that they do with people. Now, if you're first getting started, that can be really challenging, especially if you feel you have no credibility and really not a whole lot of business experience. The other option is to promote affiliate products. And what affiliate products are is where you go and promote products and services of other people's or other companies, and then when people purchase through your link, you get a commission. So how does this all work? And I'm going to give you an example, sticking with a network marketing company, of how somebody who's just getting started part-time can make money. All right, so somebody gets involved, and we'll call him Joe. Joe gets involved in a network marketing company, all right, and he's building his business. So what he does is he goes out and he's talking to people. You know, he's going out there, he's prospecting online, he's meeting people, seeing if they're open to his product, service, or business. So, and his company promotes weight loss products. So he goes out there and he's trying to find business builders. And so he's going out and he's targeting people who've been interested in home business opportunities. And so he talks with people, see if they're open, but he encounters a challenge. 90% of the people that he talks to are not going to join him in his network marketing company or buy as a customer right off the bat. What does Joe do with those prospects again? In the past, they would just be like, well, just kind of cross them off. I won't go and talk to them anymore. But when you have multiple streams of income set up, What Joe realized is that since they're home business owners and they're not interested in adding another income stream by being a part of his network marketing opportunity, he says, how are you doing with your home business? Oh, I'm doing great, but it's been a challenge getting leads for my business. Joe knows some strategies of how to build an email list with his business. So he says, are you building an email list online? And the people they talk to, they say, no, but I've been looking to learn how to build an email list. He said, well, what I've been using is an autoresponder. And the autoresponder I use is Aweber because it's the most affordable and it has the best customer service around. And he said, with your permission, I have the link here because they have a 30-day trial. Would you be open to taking a look and signing up for it? And they would be like, sure, I need to sign up because I know I need this service. So Joe sends them the link because Joe is an affiliate for his autoresponder service. So that person signs up and signs up for Aweber, and now Joe is getting a residual check as long as they have signed up and remain an active subscriber to Aweber. That's one example of having multiple streams of income because continuity offers are the best type, especially if it involves a subscription. And it's a subscription that is relevant to your market. So let's break this story down a little bit further. What Joe did was he knew that the biggest problem, he knew the biggest challenge that home business owners had were getting leads for their business. So while Joe understood that, he all of a sudden in his conversations, even though they weren't interested in joining his primary business as a distributor or customer, he was able to offer another service that would help that person solve a problem. And that person signed up for the Aweber service. So that's an example of now he's making money off of that 90% who said no to joining his business. So what you need to do before you set up any multiple streams of income is sit down and know who your target audience is and what are their big points of their big hairy problems that they need solving. So while your primary network marketing company may not solve their problem, but what you can do is then find other products and services that you can offer to that market, that you can be an affiliate of, that can help you make money off of that person. So let's take it a little step further. Let's say you're still in the health and wellness, and these are people who are looking to lose weight. What you can do is check in your state to see if you can be an Amazon affiliate. Sign up for Amazon's affiliate program, and then what you can do is you could find magazines on Amazon, like weight loss magazines or, weight loss equipment, things that you've used and purchased from Amazon, and you can offer those and say, hey, I know that, you weren't interested in joining my deal, but you know what? I've been using this on Amazon. Have you checked this out? This was really good at helping me lose weight. I really loved how, this cookbook gave me some great recipes. With your permission, can I show you the link so you can check it out? People would be like, sure. Because people will buy from those who they know, like, and trust. And so if you're recommending things and you're striving to serve your audience, what that's also going to do too is that if people see, oh, this is from Amazon, and they click on your link, you're going to get a percentage or a commission off of that sale from Amazon. So that's another way that you can provide additional recommendations to people so you can have multiple streams of income. But you have to be careful not to try to do too much or try to build too many multiple streams of income too fast, because that can be overwhelming. So just start with Number one, find out who your target market is, what's their big problems and challenges, and then to try to find products and services either off of Amazon or somewhere from another affiliate provider. Sometimes you can check on affiliate areas like JVZoo or ClickBank to find products that you can become an affiliate to that you can offer to those prospects. And then that way you're always building the relationship with your list, because if you're recommending good products and services to people and you get them to buy from you once, maybe down the road when the time is right, they can join you in your primary network marketing business. Did you find this video helpful today? If you did, leave a comment and share. And I have something very special for you before you leave here. There is a way of a system that I use that allows me to make multiple streams of income off of the 90% who say no to my primary business, which really helps home business owners generate more leads, more reps, and more customers through offering continuity products, high-ticket items, and profits where you can get paid 100% commission. To learn exactly how you can make money with this system, creating multiple streams of income, all you need to do is go to drlisamthompson.com/income, and then all you have to do is enter in your best email address, and I will send you over a video that will walk you through in detail how you can create multiple streams of income even if you're brand new. So go over to drlisamthompson.com, fill in your best information. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.